Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. We are going to do some testing on the King, the Android gaming box from a friend from China. In this video we're going to do some more testing with PSP. Let's see how it runs. Can it play the games decent or great, or nevertheless, let's play some games. Let's go!
Round one. Fight! You win. Round two. Fight!
Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding the PSP on the King. As you can see, it doesn't run very well. Strangely, Tekken did work fine in the beginning, but after playing some time it got very laggy. A little bit of a bummer. I was expecting a lot of good things from the King. But if it comes to PSP, no, we can forget it. Maybe in the future, but now it's not going to be an option. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And if you like gaming, we also have a gaming channel where we play a lot of games and uploading a video every day. See you next time. Bye bye.